Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to view and delete files like photos, videos, etc. on Google TV devices. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We are using the Google TV Streamer 4K device now, but the steps should be more or less the same for other Google TV devices, even for some Android devices too. Using our Google TV or Android TV is more or less like how we use our Android smartphone. We can install apps, play games, control using our voice, etc. Though the internal storage inside our Google TV devices are not that great compared to a typical Android smartphone, we can still browse them and access the files. Let it be a photo, video clip, we can view them and also delete them if we want. We can do this for the files we downloaded online or the files connected using any USB device. We will see the steps for doing this now. To view or delete our Google TV files, we can use a file manager app. By default, our Google TV devices may not come with the file manager. We have to install them separately for this. We can just install and keep a single file manager app. Personally, out of all the available file managers, we prefer these three ones. This is the File Manager Plus app, CX File Explorer and Explore. These three apps. We just have to go to the app section and search for the app name here. Then we can download and install the app. All these three apps are free to download and install. We can check them completely and install the one we like. I will open and show how the apps look inside. This is the Explore app. We can see our internal storage here and also we have App Manager. Also on this side we have advanced options like LAN, FTP, web storage, etc. Most of the time we don't need them. And this one is the CX File Explorer app. The user interface is quite simple. We also get this clean option which comes handy when we want to clear our internal storage. So we can do all these. We also have local, library, network, all these options. We can filter the files by images, audio, videos, documents, etc. And finally, this is the File Manager Plus app. Personally, I like this one because it looks kind of minimal. I can just open the app and go to downloads, images, audio, videos, etc. So we can open images to see the images, videos for videos. So we can use these file manager apps to view our photos, videos, documents, etc. on our Google TV internal or external storage. So we just have to open a file manager and we just open the file. That's all. We can open any file we want. We can also play videos. So yeah, that's all. And if we want to delete any of them, we just have to go to the file and long press this select or OK button and we will get this menu, and here we have to choose delete. We can permanently delete this. That's all. We can use this option only to delete our personal files and not the system files, because that will mess up our Google TV or Android TV completely. So make sure you always delete the files which is something personal to you and not the ones which are part of the Google TV system. These are the steps to view and delete files like photos, videos, etc. on Google TV devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.